So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. ASK and now you're watching my channel. So now what you guys need to do is that hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed and hit the bell icon and turn the notification on. So yeah, let's get into today's video. So how to get your first 100 subscribers is that's the topic in that video, and I'm gonna tell you some few tricks and few tips that you guys can follow. So watch the video full to get to understand it. So the first and the foremost thing in 2019 what you guys need is the watch time. Get a minimum of 50% of watch time in your videos, and that will rank the video higher and higher, and more views will get more subscribers. Yeah, that's how it's in 2019, and it's a pretty different scenario. The community guidelines totally changed in 2019. So yeah, that's how I never knew that until I saw big YouTubers talking about their watch time. So I figured it out, and yeah, that's how I eventually ended up knowing everything about that. So yeah, get your first 100 subscribers is a very difficult job. So if you upload a video, or if your channel has its channel is about something like related to sports, then try and share that video only to the people who like sports and not to the people who don't like it, because if they just click the video and get out, that doesn't count any views. That you won't get any views nor you get any watch time, so that will decrease the rank of the video, and that will be stuck there forever, and it's the end of that video. So if your video wants to get more and more recognized, then you guys have to share that video to among people who just like that interest in that field. So basically, getting 100 subscribers, you guys need not try to do that sub for sub, as that's been ruled out by the community guidelines in 2019, and that's literally useless. So what you guys can really do is go to any big YouTuber, turn their post notification on, and just comment some cool catchy comments in their videos. So once you comment, you must be very quick. Everything should happen inside a minute. If you guys comment like something cool and catchy in their video, then if that get recognized, people will eventually come and check out your channel. And if your videos they like, then they're gonna surely hit the subscribe button. So that's how you grow to get your first 100 subscribers. And trust me, this is going to be very tough. Getting your 100 subscribers is very tough if you don't follow these cool and crazy tips from Mr. ASK. What you guys can really do is keep a cool and catchy name for your channel. Like for example, PewDiePie, that's a very catchy name. People, once if they read the name, that will remain in their head forever. And other names like Dan TDM or Gawa Juice or KSI or Niga Higa, see, these type of names are really very catchy, and that people will remember it forever. So if you have any cool and catchy names for your channel, and that's sure people can talk about. So yeah, the same things, the few crazy tricks and tips, he followed it, and he ended up getting 150 subscribers now. Go check out his channel. He uploads some crazy stuff and some amazing cool gaming videos, and I bet you guys really will enjoy those videos. The link is in the description below. Hit the subscribe button to him as well, and now peace from here.
Peace. Do it.